Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. So we are going to try the awesome putty from Dollar Tree. We have a poop slime. It's a poop putty that's adds a poop right there. We have this what
Too many words. Poop.
Glitter slime, and this one is a pink. This one is an orange. And Alex has a black slime. And of course I have this one. And it's that. So we're going to start with the sparkle slime.
This does not feel like slime.
This does not feel like slime, guys. It got all over the table. Leaked all over the table. Okay, we got this glitter slime.
Time for a little bit of mine. Okay, so here's mine. It's a little slime, and it's all slime.
Now mine is like a poop slime that feels so weird, and this is so weird.
Maybe it smells like chocolate.
It smells like, I don't know.
You have to put your
It
nose
smells
in it.
weird. It smells like slime.
You smell
Regular old slime. It smells like regular.
Can I smell it?
Actually, this.
So here's this. Oh my gosh.
Can I smell it? Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It smells like bubble gum.
Ow.
Let's scoop that with your hands. It smells so good.
So basically, this is called fart slime. So what you do, you go.
Can I have this? Can I smells so good.
Smell.
It smells like lemon.
Let me smell. That's orange.
It smells like orange so much. It's fart slime like the other one.
Okay. And I got
It's kind of.
That is called a triple quad dipple. Wait, did I say that right?
It's fine.
That's sort of like Dad's. Okay, time to split in half. That's called a cranky dink. What? Oh, a little more. That's good. Oh my god.
Ready? Wait.
Okay, let me try. Here's this one.
So jiggly. So jiggy. Okay, I'm going to move this goopy slime into the orange slime. Oh my gosh. Look at that jiggly.
Giggly, giggly, giggly.
Whoa. This is turning out kind of good.
It's like a cup.
Look at mine.
Are you okay?
Should we put all this in there?
Get in, you did slime.
Get in there, slime. all this in there.
Hey, Anna. Hey, Anna.
Here's the poop sign.
Oh, gosh.
Slime. It's sticky. It feels like slime. I just can't forget the latest invention slime. It smells like bubblegum. It's so good. We put the pink slime in, and then mix it with the other slime. Very does messing with the pink slime.
Here's my piece of work.
I don't want to put this in. I tried to crunch it in there, but it's not working. I can't put this in there because it's so hard.
Like a part
So
of it.
sticky. I can't put this in. It's so hard. It's hard to mix it. And I can see the pink. This one. So sticky to me, guys. Woo, that's a lot. Oh my gosh. Look at the table.
Yeah, it does.
The Wilson trick is a thumbs up. Woo! Bacon legs, bacon legs, bacon legs.
Chicken legs, chicken legs.
Bacon legs, bacon legs. I'm a bacon leg. So, this was a great slime video. If you want to see more of our videos, then Satanic Family Fun. We're going to do another showing. I don't know